Keeping your account secure is essential, especially when it's tied to travel bookings and saved payment details. I'll walk you through the exact path on the site and share a few helpful tips so you can update your password with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and going to Expedia.com. If you aren't already signed in, click the Sign In button and log into your account. If you're signed in, you can move straight ahead. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, look to the top right corner for your profile or account icon. It may show your initials or a generic person icon. Click that to open your account menu. From the dropdown, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the main area where you can manage your personal details and security preferences. Inside Account Settings, find and open the section labeled Login and Security. This is where Expedia organizes options related to how you access your account. In this section, select Change Password. You'll be taken to a page that asks for your current password first. Enter the one you use right now so the system can confirm it's really you. Next, type your new password in the designated field. Aim for a strong, memorable phrase, rather than something short and predictable. A good rule of thumb is to use at least 12 characters and mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other websites, and skip anything that includes easily guessed personal details. If you use a password manager, create and store the new password there to keep it safe and accessible. You'll then be asked to confirm the new password by typing it again. Take your time here and make sure both entries match exactly. If there's an eye icon to show or hide what you're typing, use it to double check for typos. When everything looks correct, choose Save Changes. The button may read Save, Update, or something similar. After you save, look for a confirmation message on the screen indicating your password has been updated. In some cases, you may receive a security notification by email as well. It's normal for some sessions on other devices to sign out after a password change, which helps protect your account. That's all there is to it. You went to Expedia, signed in, opened your profile menu, navigated to Account Settings, selected Login and Security, chose Change Password, entered your current password, created and confirmed a new one, and saved your changes. Stay safe online and keep your credentials unique and up to date.